Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. I hope you had a happy Labor Day. I tell you, I can't believe it. The long holiday weekend's over. It's Tuesday morning. Did you have a great holiday weekend? Did you have fun with family and friends? Maybe had a cookout, maybe you went golfing, maybe just sat at home and watched movies. Long weekends are awesome. I know when I was in corporate America, I lived for the long weekends. But what I want to tell you is, if you woke up today and you're not happy with what you're doing this morning, if you're not happy with your commute into work, if you're at work and you're thinking about Friday night already or the weekend, maybe you need to find something different. I travel nationwide. I just got back from working with some new investors in Fort Myers, Florida, and they were excited when I left. They felt like, they had such a tremendous opportunity, and I was excited for them. Why? A lot of them maybe liked what they did, but they realized they loved real estate. And what I want to tell you is, if you don't like what you're doing, if you don't love what you're doing, maybe you need to look for something else. It may not be real estate, or it might be real estate. But what I want to tell you is, don't go through another year or another 2 years or 5 years doing something that you really don't want to do. I think you need to find something that you're more passionate about. If you're looking for something, real estate could be the answer. Because as I travel across the country, I meet people everywhere. And as I work with these people and help these people and mentor these people and teach these people, it's like they almost feel like, they have a new outlook on life. They feel like they finally are recharged with this new focus, this new opportunity. And what I want to tell you is, if you feel that way sometimes, where you're down, you're looking for something more, you're thinking, is this as good as it's ever going to get? It might be the sign for you to look for something else. And I just want to let you know, I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. You can Google me at Joe Jurek Real Estate Investing Adventures. I got a lot of videos out there. And I hope my videos can help you and maybe give you some ideas, give you some focus, give you some motivation. And if you ever need anybody to work with you, I have limited time, but I do mentoring. So feel free to look at my email below, send me an email, and I'll let you know what I can do for you. But you gotta be happy at what you do. You gotta have a passion for what you do. And good luck making it through this work week, because I can really relate. I know how it is to be somewhere wishing you might be somewhere else, or it'd be 5 o'clock already. So you can be like Fred Flintstone running for the door at the 5 o'clock whistle. So go make your dreams a reality. Take care, everybody. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.